race number 6. And Giraffe. Early lead is taken by Consolidator. On the outside is Win Lane, Joshua's Laughter. And moving up on the outside is No Money, No Honey. And at the mid-back stretch, Consolidator by half length, followed by Win Lane on the outside. And No Money, No Honey, running in third by 3.5 lengths, Joshua's Laughter. And Owaki moving up in between horses is Apo Bell. And at the far turn, it is still Consolidator by half a length. Win Lane moving up now on the outside. Win Lane on the outside. Consolidator by the rail. Closing in third by 3.5 lengths. No Money, No Honey. And entry number 2, and that is Apo Bell, Owaki, and Joshua's Laughter. And at the top of the stretch, Consolidator by the rail. Win Lane on the outside. Moving up on the inside is Apo Bell, No Money, No Honey. And Owaki, Joshua's Laughter. And nearing the payoff line, it is still Consolidator leading the field by 2.5 lengths, followed by Win Lane and Apo Bell. And finally at the payoff line, Consolidator, Win Lane, Apo Bell. No Money, No Honey, Owaki, Joshua's Laughter.
Yan.